Hello everyone and welcome back to another video from Wake&Tech. In this video, I'm going to show you how to blur a face on Snapseed. So let's get started right away. First of all, open up the Snapseed application on your device and then tap on the plus icon to proceed with opening up the image within which you wish to blur the face. Once you open up the image, you will be taken into the edit menu. Tap on the tools option and then scroll down and you will find the lens blur option. Go ahead and tap on it, and now make sure to position the blue dot away from the face. Now use the outer marker and push it all the way in to increase the intensity or the strength of your blur. The more you slide this inward, the more strong your blur will become. You can move the blue dot to the area which you wish to show apart from the face. Finally, tap on the tick mark at the bottom right corner, and now you can proceed with exporting your image by tapping on the export button. And now your image will be saved with the blurred face. And there you have it. That is how easy it is to blur a face on Snapseed. If you find this video helpful, make sure you hit that like button and subscribe to our channel if you haven't done so already. Also ring that notification bell to never miss another update from us. Thank you for watching, and I will see you again in the next video.